In this video, we'll be working the Anastasia split. This is the part 2 of the series. This is the part where we work on the Anastasia split. But first, let's take a look at the full sequence, and then at the part we'll be working on. We'll be working the split Anastasia from the starfish. This is my outside leg, the one that is bent and holding the pole. With the other leg, my other leg was in a 90-degree angle, pressing with my thigh. I'm gonna start squeezing my glutes so that I can push the pole and change the angle of my leg. I'm pressing the pole with the top of my thigh. I'm gonna reconnect my outside hand with the pole. Let's do it. Here I am in my starfish, getting my top grip. You can keep your hand like this at the bottom. I like to change it for a true grip. I feel that I have more space in my back. So I'm gonna start pressing. And then you'll be able to open the top leg because my outside hand is replacing my knee grip. So let's do it one more time. Getting into my starfish, using my top hand, changing my lower hand, pressing, opening my knee. If you like the content of this video, please subscribe to the channel, give a like, leave a comment, hit that little bell to be notified of the next video. Have a good day.